In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom background image in Gmail. Now, this tutorial is specifically for using Gmail on a PC. Whether you're looking to personalize your email interface or just want to add a touch of your unique style, customizing your Gmail background is a great way to do so. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your web browser and ensure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, you will need to enter your Google credentials to access your inbox. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Gmail dashboard with your list of emails. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a gear, which represents the settings menu. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled See All Settings. This opens a new window with a variety of settings to customize your Gmail experience. It's here where we will find the options to alter the background. Within the settings window, there's a row of tabs across the top. Click on the Theme tab to view all the themes available in Gmail. Here you'll see an array of theme options that Google provides, but since we are interested in adding a custom background image, you should look for the option that says Set Theme. This should be located towards the top of the screen within the Themes section. Once you've clicked on Set Theme, a pop-up window will appear showing a collection of different themes. In the bottom right corner of this window, you'll see a plus icon labeled My Photos. Clicking this will take you to a gallery of your personal Google Photos if you've already uploaded images to your Google account. If your desired image isn't there, you have the option to upload a new photo. Simply click Upload a Photo, and then select the file from your computer. After you've uploaded your chosen image or selected one from your Google Photos, confirm your selection by clicking the Select button. Your Gmail background will now be updated with the image you've chosen, providing a personalized touch to your email environment. Feel free to adjust the image by using the overlay text settings to enhance readability or tweak the vignette effect for a more polished look, and that's all there is to it. Now, your Gmail interface should reflect your personal style with the custom background image you selected. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this simple walkthrough has helped make your Gmail experience a bit more personalized and enjoyable. Don't hesitate to change it up and experiment with different images whenever you feel like refreshing your email aesthetics.